Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel, where today we are going to dwell into the Excel projects part 2 that was posted a few weeks ago. So without further ado, let's get started now. So to navigate this file, which is quite big, easily, what I'm going to show you today, it's very easy, is to do those, okay, to go here, to go to the middle, to go down, we can go to the middle back, or we can go to the top if we want to, as well as the email here. As you can see here, if I press, it goes to the email. Of course, my account is not set up, it's also a fake email. And I will show you all this in today. So let's get started. How to do, you can see here nothing happened. If I click, nothing happened. So how to activate the email or change it for it to be a link to your email account? It's very simple. Simply have to double click. Once I will press enter, look at what's happened here. There it is. It becomes a link. It's as simple as that. Alright, like so, very simple. Now I will show you how to create the go to button as it is here. Here you can see I'm selected here, but if I press go to, it goes to this one here. This is me who defined it, but you can choose whatever you want. It's simple. You do a right click, if I can, there it is. You do a right click and you press link. So normally you will end up like so. Okay, you just have to go in place in this document, then you select the sheet. In that case I have only one, and then you select the cell. Okay, so cells in this one here, I cannot go, but in the original one I select this one. But today, let's say for any example, this is customizable and you can do whatever you like, but we want to go directly to the email, which I will understand why. So we know that it's J and 4. I remove everything, I put J. It doesn't need to be a capital letter. You can do in small letter, and 4. Now go to, you can also replace by, if you wish to, email. So let's type this in like so and press OK. You can see that it changes. Okay, we can go to the home button, we can align it and we can center it. Okay, that's it, what it is, middle align and center. Okay, center means from the top to bottom, and align it's left or right. Okay, it's as simple as that. I do believe it's the opposite. It's written and I cannot read it anyway. So now if I press email, it goes there directly, but it will go only to this one because I link this only. Alright, what you need if you to go to a specific range or to a specific name, but if you have more than one, it won't work as well. There is a way, but it's very complicated, so maybe I'm not going to show you that, but it's to make this link dynamic. Okay, I will show you that once we go to the index here. This is all dynamic. Alright, you can see it go to source. Alright, and I have more than one, so it will go always to the last one. This is how I configure the dynamic link to be. I will show you all this in another video. For now, I digress. We are in the inventory and we are here. So now you notice that once I press, it changes color. Okay, this lets you know that you already go to this link. For us now, what I want is I want to go to the middle, and the middle, as you can see here, it's A122. But if I'm here and I want to go to the middle and I go to A122, what it will do, it will go A122, which means it's these cells here means all this one here you won't see it. So we will go A1, 2, 3. If you want to go to A, but you can select any cells as I did say. Right, so we go back here, press middle, link this document, we keep middle, you can change to capital letter A1, 2, 3. Right, okay. You can see I press, changes color, and it goes to this one. Unless this one here, when I press middle, oh, I select also A1, 2, 3. If I was pressing A1, 2, 2, it will go to this one. I thought I put a mistake in here, but I forgot. But you get what I mean, right? Now, if you want to go down, down is A1, 2, 2, 8. So link, press A1, 2, sorry, A2, 2, 8. In this sheet, and I press down. Okay, what does it do? It goes down. Oh, here is because you remember in the previous video I removed all the unnecessaries two numbers here. You can see the same. I just had some and removed some. Okay, so if I want to go to the top, I can put it here, or I can go here, which is why I put those here. Those is to go to other sheet. Let's say I have a sheet, so let's say sheet 4, I can do index, right click, press link, sheet 4, it will go to A1, and when I press, it goes there as well. It's as simple as this. These are the fixed link. Okay, now you notice that I didn't apply the formatting here. You will ask, but Chris, why is that? Very simple, I show you very easily. So to select, let's say you are here, to select, you can see that if you click, it goes directly. So to select it, you have two ways. The first one, it's not to double click, don't do that. The first one is to select an empty cells, and with your cursor, left, right, you select, then you press F2 if you want to edit, escape if you don't want to edit. Now you can see selected, so you can change it to your whim. Here the color I put white, and I could put green, but if I put green, alright, when I go to the original file, you won't notice, so that's why I select orange. Okay, so now you can see that whenever I press, it doesn't change like this one does. If you want it to change that way, it's entirely up to you. Now, as I did say, there was two methods, so I'll show you the first one. The second one is you press and hold. Once you press and hold, it select also. Okay, normally about 3 seconds, and then it will activate the select. Okay, you can also change the color, put no fill if you want, but then of course you have to change the color because it's white on white. That's how you hide text in Excel or any other editing programs you can have. You get what I mean? That's how you hide the text. You select the same color as the background and you hide the text. Okay, you can put it in green. This is entirely up to you, and every time you select now, it won't change the color like it does here and there. Okay, now if I want to apply, not this, if I want to apply the formatting, it's as simple as selecting the cell, go to Format Enter, and print. Like so. If you want to select more than one, you have to double click here. And once I press, you notice that the paintbrush is still selected. You can press Escape or you can press Ctrl and S. It will do the same, it will remove the selection. Like so. Oh, and here if I want to, I can press like so, link A1, but I can press Shift A1 because I didn't change. Now if I press here, it goes back. It's that simple. Now I will show you Okay, if I go here and go there, I press here. Okay, if I apply the formatting before, what it does, it will remove it as soon as I create the link. I want this one, let's select whatever it is to save you time. You can see that it removes not the formatting of the background but the writing, and I have to apply again. So that's why it's always best to apply the formatting only at the end. Alright, so I save this. Okay, that will be all for today. If you like this video, you can do your YouTube things. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, even press the bell if you want to be notified when I post a new video, like today. But if you do not like it, I would like for you to leave a comment and tell me why you do not. It will, well, at least let me know if I'm on the right track, or avoid to do things who annoy you if you did. Or maybe I did some mistakes. It would be very good for me to do another video and correct those mistakes. Thank you very much. I hope you stay safe, guys, and bye now.